Hello guys, welcome back on MeltFlex. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Today we'll talk something about rendering. For example, you're in a situation, you have your SketchUp modeled and you, for example, want to make it like in 3D in a render. So what you can do, you can just copy the image. So just take screenshot out of your SketchUp and just paste it in MeltFlex platform. So let's just paste it right here. And let's say to convert this into photorealistic style, render it, yeah. And in normal scenario you would have to wait around 1 day or a few hours to just wait for the render to be actually done from this point of view. But all you have to do on platform MeltFlex is just type in the prompt, and in about 20 seconds you will actually see the result delivered. So this is pretty amazing because it's a huge time saver. You can also iterate much more faster if you're not satisfied with some kind of a color or something that you can do really fast. So it will all basically take the colors that are from the first image, yeah. And here you can see different variations. So let's go through them. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So honestly, this one looks the best. Right now, for example, I'm not satisfied with the color of the green and I want different color of the green. So let's find some green material color. So for example, say that we want something which is like much more darker or something in this. And let's just take a screenshot out of this material and let's just paste it in and say to MeltFlex like change color, change material of sofa and green and chair, which are green, into this one. Let's try three different variations on how could this SketchUp actually look after different material variations. You can also play with it. So if you, for example, a different material for I don't know, floor, furniture itself, walls or anything, you can basically do it pretty easily. Just convert it like this. It's right going. And right now we can see how we changed the material. So the material that we wanted was this one, and you can actually see that it's pretty matching. Yeah, see different variation. This was the first one. Yeah, this is the different variation of the green, how it got. I think this is the most precise one. And right now, for example, we are interested in furniture itself. So we want to deliver to clients the furniture that we showed him on the visualization, and we don't have the shoppable product. So, for example, this can be this kind of a table. We can find it in other stores. So MeltFlex will recognize all the images that are, all the furniture that are available within the image itself. And you can shop different products which are pretty similar to the one that was on the image. So as you can see, for example, this one or this one, this will all give you like your sellers within your country. So if you, for example, from USA or Canada or Australia, you will have your own sellers right here. I'm right now in the Netherlands, so we don't have the other ones, but you can see we don't have the American shops, for example, Wayfair and so on. So this is the things that you can do with the MeltFlex. You can also add emotion. So for example, your client has a wife and they are buying the flat for themselves and then they want to make it nice. You can sell him the emotion much more faster if you, for example, say like add two people drinking wine during night, and it will add two people drinking wine. And if you send him the visualizations afterwards, you can sell it better to him because of all the emotion. And this is so much faster. Also, if you have some furniture that he wants, you can just, as we passed the color itself or the material, you can pass the furniture itself in the prompt window, and then it will give you the right furniture there. And here you can see the different. For example, this is pretty nice. So here you've seen it. It's pretty fast. It can do all kinds of things. It all depends on your creativity about the prompts that you give it. So you can find it on meltflexai.com. Link is also in the bio, and I would be happy if you try it out. First visualization is for free, so try it for free. And if it works for you, then we will be happy to have you on. Ciao.